Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
Hello guys, let's get started our trading session. All the currency pairs have already been picked out. Today we have an OTC currency pairs. You can see that we got almost $2,000 on the balance. We're gonna make till the $3,000, I guess, and then I'll withdraw 2,000, I guess. So today I'm gonna open $250 positions, and what concerns the strategy for today's trading is gonna be one of my favorite guys, the Keltner channel, in combination with the stochastic. But we should configure this stochastic first. Set a period 5. The overbought zone will be 70. Oversold zone will be 30. Okay, these settings works well for me, and I recommend you to try them as well. Today we'll try to focus on the stochastic behavior and also take into consideration the Keltner channel. And I think we're gonna succeed as usual. So let's get started. We have to find the currency pair, guys. As the first move, right? As the first step. So let's do this in order to find the best trade entry. Let's analyze the market a little bit. Well, alright. And also, I'm still playing Helldivers 2. There's a Max. I guess this is a fine. Huge robbers with the guns. And that's okay. As the market situation, I see the potential signals for the future trade entries. And let's start, I guess. Let's open first position. I just want to make properly. Okay, for example, here let's open a long position. Now let me explain the principle of the trade entry. Of course, I'll point out the workspace. Okay, we see that a potential reversal takes place and our support zone is really strong, and previously the price went up in all the cases. Now we see a little flat here, and the candles have these long shadows, and I think the price is very likely to go up, and also the stochastic strives to break out and crossing the mark 30 should happen at any second. Okay, and as we can see, breakout is happening right now. The price movement enters the inner channel here, so we could expect that, and I'm sure that the breakout is gonna be completed in the end, and our position will be in profits. As I said, guys, first position is in profits. That's nice. It's over tradition, like you see. The pullback that happened, the support zone played out perfectly, and we are in profits. So let's pick out the next currency pair for the better trade entry, right? And let's see. Okay, here we could open, but I'm sure the prices go to the upside. So let's do that. We open our long position, as you can see, and I'll explain the principle of the trade entry. There are the 40 seconds left before closing of the candle. I'm fine with this timing. We don't pay attention to the stochastic now. However, let's consider the stochastic either. Let's point out this level, the level around the 50. I guess the price got rejected all the time out of this level, and the stochastic seems to be reversing here. The upward trend prevails. We see the dynamics of the price movement. We have these corrections that broke through the inner channel. Next, we should point out this level. Alright, the price pumped up and then a little pullback took place. The price entered the inner channel. The support zone played out at this level, so that's why we opened the long position here. And our position in profits again. Nice. This 1 minute time frame. Look at this perfect timing of our trade entry, guys. Now the stochastic is going down for the further correction. Yeah, but we opened correctly, and I had noticed that there were 40 seconds left before the candle closing, and I had decided that the trade entry would be the most profitable. So that's exactly what happened, right? And let's change the currency pair for the better, much better trade entry. But I guess all of them awesome. So yeah. Well, let's just find it, but I don't see anything so far. However, we can also open a long here. So yeah, let's tap on this one. We see this huge correction to the downside. So let's point out the workspace so I can show you. The stochastic has broken level 30 and the price should move upwards because the uptrend prevails now and the updating of the local low is happening and the price should go up. Of course, I'll remind you that this is OTC and we shouldn't pay attention to the stochastic all the time. Moreover, we should play ahead of the market, and OTC is really good for this and for trade entries, of course. So we see a very strong correction to the downside out of this resistance zone, and now the price should move to the upside. The position will be closed in profits, guys. So let's just wait. 5 seconds left, and I'm pretty fine. The support zone is playing out right now. Nice. We are in a profits. Everything is so simple. You can see that by yourself. That's why it's my favorite strategy, and we are in a profits by that. So right on the same currency pair, if I'm not mistaken. Now with a nice payout rate, of course. So let's just see. Let's find the next currency pair for another position. Okay, let's open position here. I think we can open a long. I'll explain the principle, of course. We focus on the stochastic here. So nice trade entry. We see the upward trend on the chart. We also understand that this smooth price movements at this zone, and the movement is also repeated here with a smaller amplitude. Here we point out the support zone. The price broke out of the inner channel here, and after this the price held at one level for a moment, and now the price should go to the upside again. So next we see stochastic is gonna cross level 30. Actually it already touched it, and we see the breakout. There is several seconds left, like 5 seconds left, and this one also in the profits. Good job, guys. We have almost made it up to $3,000. So we read the market. Brilliant technical analysis, thanks to me. Nice trade entry, thanks to me. 1 minute time frame. That's all we need, guys. So by the Fiatner channel, by the stochastic, analysis, our analysis, and basically our position at lost in profits all the time. And let's change the currency pair. Let's take a look at here. We see this very strong dump is happening. Let's take a look at the candle's behavior. The support zone is gonna play out here, I guess. So I think we're gonna open here on this currency pair. Okay, stochastic has crossed the 30 line. Yeah, let's open position here. And I think now is the best timing for playing ahead of the market. Look, we're gonna open out. We're gonna point out two zones. The first one, the price broke this level down, and in the second one, the touch of this upper zone took place. The price should reverse and start going to the upside. We see a very dynamic price movement in this zone, both the strong pump and the strong dump right after. But the uptrend prevails now. The updating of the local low did happen, and the price should start going to the upside now, right? We don't take the stochastics seriously now because we're playing ahead of the market, you know, on 1 minute time frame, and it's not gonna show us anything. And on the last seconds, I'm expecting to see the breakout, just like this one, exactly as predicted. The breakout is happening in the position in the profits. Nice. We got $2,870 on our balance now. We played out ahead of the market. The dodgy pattern has formed here. This upper zone played out and the price broke this level down. And probably the price is gonna go lower or go to the upside following the trend direction, but because of the opening on a 1 minute time frame, we actually succeed here, and the position was closed in profits. That's why I like trading on a 1 minute time frame, and this strategy helps me a lot, guys. So I recommend to try it out yourself. Of course, that's why I'm recording those videos. Now let's find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry again, and let's check out the other currency pairs. So the inner channel price movement is happening here, but actually I have no idea where the trend is gonna go by now, to be sure. Now the flat prevails, so I don't want to open here. Look at these trailing upward dynamics here. We could play it out, the pullback. Yeah, let's open a short position here. I'll explain the principle to you, of course. We earned the achievement, guys. Nice. So, look, the price broke out of the inner channel. First of all, we should look at these low volatility of the candles. We understand the dynamics of the price direction. The breakout did happen here, the resistance zone played out here, and I'm sure the price is gonna reverse and start moving to the downside. So don't you see? Let's point out the zone, then the zone higher, and now in theory the zone is a little more higher and the price should go to the downside. The stochastic also touched the level 70 and we see the reversal. There is no more strong movement here. That's why we opened our short position. And like you see, the price started going down. Nice trade entry and we are in the profits. Nice. Our balance is $3,000 and $100, of course. We got $1,400 in profits, I guess, and I think this is a great house count for today. That's exactly what I tried to reach today, as I said at the beginning of the video. Nice trading session, I guess, on the weekend, and we made $1,000 and $400 on the OTC market, and the strategy in combination with my technical analysis works perfectly. So don't forget about the Telegram channel, guys. There's a lot of information about this strategy, about the indicators, and about the combinations of other strategies, of course. So waiting for you there. You can text me, I will answer, or one of my managers, and we will help you to make copy trading or get binary options much better. So let's move to my favorite part of the video. It's gonna be withdraw our money. Let's put down 3,000. Now that 2,000 is gonna be okay. My DC wallet, and nice. I'm gonna attach a screenshot of succeed after the video. At the end, just right now, you can see that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget about the YouTube, likes, comments, Telegram, and subscriptions. Of course, all the links you will find below in the video. So have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.